Good morning, students. Welcome to Diamond Group of Institution online classes. Myself, Mohammad Silar, physics lecturer. Okay. In the last class, we discussed the theory part. Now, today we are going to discuss a problems, NCRT problems. In this chapter, we discuss the some derivation. Okay. And now we are discussing about the formulas. Okay. Formula. What is the formula? To be said, first one, force between two magnetic poles. Okay, what is the formula of force between two magnetic poles? If you have the two magnetic force, then the formula is F equals to mu naught by 4 pi Q1 Q2 by R square. Mu naught by 4 pi is a constant of proportionality and its value is 10 to the power of minus 7. Mu naught by 4 pi means 10 to the power of minus 7. Q1 and Q2 are the pole strength and R is the distance. The next formula, as you know already, magnetic dipole moment. The formula of magnetic dipole moment is Qm into 2L, pole strength and length of the magnet. Okay, or magnetic length. The next one, torque. Torque equals to formula mb sin theta. What is m? Magnetic dipole moment. What is b? Magnetic field. Theta. Theta is the angle between magnetic field and magnetic dipole moment. The next one, magnetic field on the axial line. Which line? Axial line of the solenoid. The formula is, in this derivation we discussed already. Okay, the formula mu naught by 4 pi 2 m r divided by r square minus l square and whole square. M is magnetic dipole moment, r is distance. Okay, r is distance, l is length. The total length of the magnet is 2l. L means half length of the magnet. The next one, magnetic field on the axial line of a short bar magnet. Okay, in this case there is no short. Short bar magnet means we are writing the formula is 2m by r cube. Okay, next, relative permeability equals to the relation we discussed already. Mu r equals to 1 plus psi. Psi is the magnetic susceptibility. Magnetic susceptibility equals to, what is the formula of magnetic susceptibility? Psi is equals to m by h. What is m? Magnetic dipole, sorry, magnetization. What is h? Magnetic intensity. Okay, one more formula, magnetic field on the equatorial line. In this case, axial line. That one is equatorial. Equatorial means, what is the formula? B equals to mu naught by 4 pi m by r square plus l square whole power is 3 by 2. Okay. Then next one, magnetic field on the equatorial line. Okay, of a short bar magnet. इधर भी वही था. Axial line, short bar magnet. Equatorial line of a short bar magnet. Then the formula is B is equals to mu naught by 4 pi m by r cube. The first problem is, okay, what is the force of repulsion between two magnetic poles? What is the force of repulsion between two magnetic poles? For example, we are taking the two poles. One is north pole, another one is also north pole. What is the force of repulsion? Okay, poles में क्या हो रहा है? Repulsions हो रहा है. When they are repulsed, same poles means repulse each other. Means this one is this side, this one is this side. Repulsion. Okay. Pole strength value is given. How many poles we have? Two poles means Q1 equals to, what is the value? 3.2. Okay, Q2 equals, what is the value? 3 points. Then next one, separated by a distance of 0.12 meter in vacuum. The two poles are separated by distance is, the distance is r. What is the r value? 0.12 meter. In this problem, we are calculating the force of repulsion. F equals to question mark. R value is given. Q1, Q2 value is given. Then substitute these value in the formula. What is the formula to calculate the force of repulsion? F equals to mu naught by 4 pi Q1 Q2 by R square. Okay, F value is as it is. Okay, mu naught by 4 pi, it is constant of proportionality. What is the value of constant of proportionality? 10 to the power of minus 7. Q1 is pole strength. What is the pole here? Strength here 3.2. Q2 is pole strength. What is the pole strength here? 3.2. We are writing. Then next, R square. What is R? R is the distance between the two poles. What is the R value? 0.12 meter. 0.12 meter. Square is as it is. Next, 3.2 into 3.2 means 10.24. 10 to the power of minus 7 is as it is. 0.12 square means 0.011, sorry, 144. Then next, if we divide these two value, then we get the 711.11, 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton. This is the force of repulsion between two magnetic poles. Next problem. Force between two magnetic poles, okay, in air is 2.025 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton. Okay, the distance between the two poles is 0.1 meter. If one pole is 10 times stronger than the other, 10 times stronger than the other, calculate the pole strength of each. We are calculating the pole strength of each. In this question, okay, some value is given. We are taking force between two magnetic poles. For example, okay, we are taking the two poles. This is the one pole thing. Okay, this one is another pole. Okay, what is the value? Here is given. If one pole is 10 times stronger, how many times it is stronger? 10 times stronger than the other. Okay, one pole value is Q, then another pole value is 10Q. Pole strength, one pole value is Q, other pole value is 10Q, because one pole is 10 times stronger than the other. 10 times ज़्यादा है एक pole, then QQ. Then next one, the force between two magnetic poles. ये दोनों poles का बीच में force value दिया हमारे को. What is the force value here? Okay, 2.025 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton. The distance between two poles is 0.1 meter. ये दोनों पोल का बीच में डिस्टेंस वैल्यू दिया हमारे को. व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस? r. डिस्टेंस वैल्यू इज गिवन. नेक्स्ट, calculate the pole strength of each. What is the pole strength of this pole and what is the pole strength of this pole? We are calculating the pole strength of each. मतलब हम दोनों pole strength calculate करना. Then we are writing here, F value is given, R value is given. Okay, one pole value is Q, another pole value is 10Q. Okay, but what is the Q value and 10Q value? Don't know. That's why we are writing. We are calculating the pole strength of each. Means, for example, this one is Q1 equals to question mark and Q2 equals to question mark. We use the suitable formula to calculate this value. Force value is given, distance is given, pole strength we are calculating. What is the formula? F equals to mu naught by 4 pi Q1 Q2 by R square. F means force. What is the force value? This one, 2.025 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton. Okay. Then next, mu naught by 4 pi, constant of proportionality, its value is 10 to the power of minus 7. Q1, what is the Q1 value? Don't know. But first pole strength value is Q. Second, what is the second? 10 times stronger. That's why we are writing Q2 का प्लेस में 10Q. Q1 का वैल्यू Q, Q2 का वैल्यू 10Q. R value is 0.1 square. Then next, again this value is keep as it is. 10 to the power of minus 7 is also as it is. Q into Q square. Okay, this 10 is as it is. Q into 10Q means 10Q square. 0.1 square is 0.01. Okay, next exchanging the terms. हम terms को exchange कर रहे हैं. Take this 0.01 is this side and 10 into 10 to the power of minus 7 is this side. Then 2.025 10 to the power of minus 3 ये terms ऊपर आता. Then 0.01 then ये terms को हम send कर रहे हैं denominators में आता. 10 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Minus 3 minus 7 is cancel. Then what is the value? Minus 4. Minus 3 minus 7 cancel means minus 4. Then multiply these two terms and divide. If we are taking the minus 10 to the power of minus 4 is upward side, then it becomes plus 4. हम minus 4 को ऊपर लेके गए तो plus 4 होता. Then multiply and divide means we get this value. Okay, 10 to the power of plus 4. Okay, one more point. If you are shifting the point is forward side, negative power is increases. If you are shifting the point is backward side, positive power is increases. How many digits we are shifting, that much of power will be increased. Look this side. We are shifting the point. Okay, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits forward means negative power is increased. What is the negative power? How many digits? 4 means 10 to the power of minus 4. This 10 to the power of minus 4 and this 10 to the power of plus 4 is get cancelled. Then what is the value? 20.25. This is square. If the square is removed, this value is comes under the root. And root of 20.25 means 4.5 ampere. This is the value of Q, or also we can write Q1. Q1 equals to 4.5. It is the value of first pole strength. Next, second pole strength. Q2 equals to 10Q because 10 times stronger. Okay. Then 10 is as it is. Q is equals to value 4.5 multiply means 45. The next one, a bar magnet of magnetic moment 5 ampere meter square has pole 0.2 meter apart. Calculate the pole strength. We are taking a one bar magnet. Imagine this is a one bar magnet. It has the north pole and south pole. A bar magnet of magnetic moment. Magnetic moment is denoted by M. Then magnetic moment equals to value is given 5 ampere meter square. Then magnetic moment value is given 5 ampere meter square. The next has poles 0.2 meter apart. Another one value is given 0.2 meter apart. Apart means distance value is given. What is the distance between the two poles? The distance between the two poles is 2L. दो poles का बीच में distance कितना रहता है? 2L. Then 2L equals to value is given 0.2 meter. Next one, calculate the pole strength. We are calculating what is the pole strength. Pole strength is denoted by QM. QM equals to question mark. Okay. Which कौन सा वैल्यू दिया हमारे क्वेश्चंस में? मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट वैल्यू इज गिवन. पोल स्ट्रेंथ वैल्यू वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग. लेंथ ऑफ द मैग्नेट इज गिवन. Okay, 2L equals to 0.2 meter. Then, as you know, already we discussed the formula of magnetic dipole moment. What is the formula of magnetic dipole moment? There are two formulas. Magnetic dipole moment formula is M equals to QM into 2L. Another one, magnetic dipole moment of a circular loop means what is the formula? M is equals to I into A, product of current into area. But in this case, he is saying a bar magnet means the formula is M equals to QM into 2L. We are calculating pole strength. Okay, pole strength value we are calculating. Send the 2L is this side, is comes to the denominator. Then Qm equals to m by 2L. Qm is the pole strength, m is the magnetic dipole moment. What is the value of magnetic dipole moment? 5. In place of m we are writing 5. 2L. What is 2L? Length distance between the two poles. What is the distance between the two poles? 0.2. 0.2. 2L का value 0.2. 5 divided by 0.2 means 25. Pole strength is measured in ampere meter. Okay. The next problem. What is our next problem? A short bar magnet with its axis at 30 degree with a uniform magnetic field, okay, of 0.2 Tesla. 30 degree value is given, 0.2 Tesla, and experience a torque of magnitude is equals to 4.5 10 to the power of minus 2 joules. What is the magnitude of magnetic moment of the magnet? This is our question. In this given question, first point, a short bar magnet with its axis at 30 degree with a uniform external magnetic field. We are taking a one short bar magnet. Think this is a one bar magnet, north pole and south pole. Its axis, okay, what is the magnetic axis? Line joining the north pole and south pole is called as the magnetic axis. Line joining the north pole and south pole is called as magnetic axis. Okay, with its axis at 30 degree with a uniform magnetic field, okay, of 0.25 Tesla. ये मैग्नेटिक एक्सिस यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को कितना एंगल सा है? 30 डिग्री है. व्हाट इज द एंगल हियर? 30 डिग्री. 30 degree means which value is given? Theta value is given. It is placed in a uniform magnetic field means B. B is equals to value is given 0.25 Tesla. T means Tesla. Tesla is the SI unit of magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field value is given 0.25 Tesla. Experience a torque of magnitude equals to 4.5 10 to the power of minus 2 joules. Experience a torque. We discussed in the theory when dipole is placed in a uniform magnetic field. Okay, this magnetic field experience a force. Due to that force, the dipole will be rotated. Okay, that turning effect of a force is called as torque. Okay, हम डाइपोल को मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में रखे तो ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का वजह से इस पे फोर्स आता. ड्यू टू दैट फोर्स the dipole will be rotate. That turning effect of a force is called torque. Torque is denoted by tau. Tau equals to value is given 4.5 10 to the power of minus 2 joules. Torque value is given. Next one. What is the magnitude of magnetic moment of the magnet? Magnetic moment. What is the magnitude of magnetic moment? Magnetic moment is denoted by m. Our magnetic dipole moment is denoted by m. Then in the given question, कौन सा वैल्यू दिया हमारे को क्वेश्चन में? थीटा वैल्यू इज गिवन, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वैल्यू इज गिवन, टॉर्क इज गिवन. वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट. हम फॉर्मूलाज लिखा है. विच फॉर्मूला वी आर यूजिंग? वी आर यूजिंग ए टॉर्क टाउ इक्वल्स टू एम बी साइन थीटा. ओके, वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग विच वैल्यू? एम वैल्यू वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग. हम एम वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. Send this term is this side. ये terms को हम send करेंगे. It comes to the denominator. Then m equals to tau divided by b sin theta. M is as it is. Torque equals to what is the value? 4.5 10 to the power of minus 2 joule. 4.5 10 to the power of minus 2 joule. B, magnetic field. Magnetic field value is 0.25. Sin theta. Sin is as it is. Theta value is 30 degree as. Next, m is as it is, torque value is as it is, okay, magnetic field value is as it is, sin 30 degree, its value is 0.5, we are adding 0.5, okay. Then next, m is as it is, torque value is as it is, then 0.5 into 0.25, we are multiplying these two values, then we get 0.125. If we divide these two values, then we get 36 into 10 to the power of minus 2 joules per Tesla. Okay. If we are taking the point is backside, 2 digits is backside, means positive power is increases. Backside means positive power is increases. How many digits we are taking? 1, 2, plus 2. Plus 2 and minus 2 is get cancelled. Then we are adding 0.36 joules per Tesla. The next one, a closely wound solenoid of 2000 turns. We are taking a one solenoid. Imagine this is a one solenoid, and this solenoid has a 2000 turns. Means n value is given. Number of turns is 2000. The next one, and area of cross section 1.6 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. Area of this solenoid is given. A value is given. What is the A value? 1.6 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. Carrying a current of 4 ampere. This solenoid, current is flowing in the solenoid is I. कितना current flow रहा solenoid में? 4 ampere. Is suspended through its center, allowing it to turn in a horizontal plane. This coil is suspended from a center, okay, suspended from a center, allowing it to turn in a horizontal plane. Horizontal plane में turn होने के लिए इसको allow करो. First question, what is the magnetic moment associated with the solenoid? Magnetic moment is denoted by m. Then we are writing m equals to question mark. In this given problem, I value is given, A value is given, n value is given. Then the formula is m is equals to I A into n. N means number of turns, I means current, A means area. What is the number of turns here? 2000. What is the current? 4. What is the area? 1.6 10 to the power of minus 4. If we multiply means we get this value. Then magnetic moment equals to 1.28 joules per Tesla. Second portion, what is the force and torque acting on the solenoid? What is the force? F equals to question mark, tau equals to question mark. Acting on a solenoid. If in a horizontal magnetic field, this solenoid is placed in a uniform horizontal magnetic field, okay, and magnetic field means which value is given? B value is given. It is set up at an angle of 30 degree with its axis. This solenoid is, okay, setting with an angle is 30 degree with the magnetic field. Theta value is given. In this question, we are calculating force value and torque value. When solenoid is placed in a uniform magnetic field, okay, then this solenoid behaves as a bar magnet. Then two equal and opposite forces are acting on a solenoid. Due to this magnetic field, okay, force, the solenoid will be experience a force. The total net force on the solenoid is F equals to 0, because both sides are equal forces are acting. Okay, and torque, two equal and opposite forces means that taking a turn means that is called as torque. This solenoid will be rotated. Okay, then we are writing torque tau equals to mb sin theta. M value, what is the m value here? 1.28. What is the b value? 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Sin theta equals to what is the value? 30 degrees given. We are writing 30. Okay, sin 30 means its value is 1 by 2. Okay, then next, if you multiply the whole term means we get 4.8 10 to the power of minus 2 Newton meter. It is the SI unit of torque. The next one, vertical components of earth magnetic field at a place is root 3 times. Okay, vertical components of earth magnetic field at a place root 3 times the horizontal component. Horizontal component. What is the value of dip at the place? What is the value of dip at the place? Okay, then for example, what is dip? We discussed in the last 2-3 class before. What is dip? It is an angle made by the horizon earth total magnetic field with horizontal component, that is called as dip. Then in this case, the BV, we are adding vertical components of earth magnetic field means BV. Okay, it is root 3 times of horizontal components, that's why we are adding and root 3 into BH, horizontal component of magnetic field. We are calculating the theta value. Okay, dip tan theta equals to formula BV by BH means magnetic field on vertical side by magnetic field on horizontal side. Then tan theta is as it is BV. In place of BV, we are writing root 3 BH, root 3 BH. Horizontal components of magnetic field is same. BH is as it is. BH is get cancelled. Then root 3. Then take that this tan is this side. Tan is this side. Theta equals to tan inverse of root 3. Okay, tan inverse of root 3 means it's called as tan, theta equals to 60 degree. The angle is 60 degree. The next problem, at a place horizontal and vertical components of earth magnetic field are equal to. Okay, at a place horizontal and vertical component of magnetic field is equals to, what is the magnetic field? 3.8 10 to the power of minus 5 Tesla and 0.8 10 to the power of minus 5 Tesla. This one is horizontal magnetic field. This one is vertical magnetic field at a place. Then calculate the total magnetic field. Calculate the total magnetic field and dip at the place. Just we see total magnetic field. दो magnetic fields दिया हमारे को. Horizontal magnetic field is given and vertical magnetic field is given. We are calculating total magnetic field. For example, at this place, think this side is called as vertical magnetic field is given. This side is called as horizontal magnetic field is given. We are calculating the total magnetic field B. Then in theory there is a one formula. Total magnetic field B equals to under root of BH square plus BV square. BH square, what is the value of BH? 3.8 10 to the power of minus 5. This square is as it is. Okay, then next BV, what is the BV value? 0.8 10 to the power of minus 5. We are substituting in place of BV this value. Square is as it is. Next, B is as it is, root is as it is. Okay, 3.8 square 14.44 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, into 2. Mathematics make formulas hai. Okay, x power m into whole power n is equals to, we can write x power m into n. Then what is the value? X power m into whole power n. Then minus 5 into 2 means minus 10. Then again 0.8 square is 0.64. Minus 2 into 2 means minus 10. We are adding these two values, then we get the 15.08. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 10, 10 to the power of minus 10. In between plus, plus means we have to take the common. That's why we are taking minus 10 is common. Then root of this 15.08 is 3.88. 10 to the power of minus 10. Outside the root, its value is 10 to the power of minus 5. Next, one more point is given. We are calculating the total magnetic field and dip. Okay, dip equals to formula tan theta equals to BV by BH. Magnetic field on vertical side by magnetic field on horizontal side. What is the magnetic field on vertical side? 0.8 10 to the power of minus 5. What is the magnetic field on horizontal side? 3.8 into 10 to the power of minus 5. This minus 5 is get cancelled. Cancel means what is the term? 0.8 divided by 3.8. Divide kiya to what is our answer? 0.2105. Okay, this is the theta. Tan inverse of this value means we have to write 11.2 11 degree 53 minutes. Next problem is a bar magnet made of steel has a magnetic moment. A bar magnet is made of a steel. Bar magnet is made up of a steel. Has magnetic moment. What is the magnetic moment? Magnetic moment is denoted by M. M equals to value is given 3 ampere meter square and has a mass. This steel or magnet has a mass. What is the mass? 60 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Mass value is given. That's why we are writing mass M equals to 60 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. If the density of steel is 7900 kg per meter cube, density value is given. Density equals to 7900 kg per meter cube. Find the intensity of magnetization. Intensity of magnetization is denoted by M. M equals to question mark. In this given problem, three values are given: magnetic dipole moment, mass, density. We are calculating intensity of magnetization. Intensity of magnetization we discussed in the last class. What is the formula? Net magnetic dipole moment per unit volume. That's why we are writing the formula M equals to net magnetic dipole moment per unit volume. Magnetic moment value is given 3, but volume value is not given in this problem. But which value is given? Mass is given, density is given. Density equals to one formula. What is the formula? Density is equals to mass by volume. We don't know what is the value of volume. That's why exchange the terms. Then volume equals to mass by density. Okay. What is the mass value here? 60 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Substitute here. Density equals to what is the value? 7900. We are adding here. If we divide these two value, then we get this one. Okay, 0.0075. Okay. If we are shifting this point to the forward side, negative power is increases. How many digits we are shifting? That much of negative power is increases. Then 1, 2, 3 means minus 3. This is already minus 3. Minus 3 means 10 to the power of minus 6. Volume V equals to 7.5 10 to the power of minus 6 meter cube. This volume value we are adding in this intensity of magnetization. M value, magnetic dipole moment value is 3. Here we are adding. Next V means volume. Volume value is 7.5. We are substituting here. If divide these two value, then we get 0.4 into 10 to the power of plus 6. This minus power is okay. Take above means it becomes a plus. This one. The next problem is paramagnetic substance of susceptibility. Paramagnetic substance of susceptibility 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Susceptibility is denoted by psi. Psi is equals to formula. Psi is equals to formula 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is placed in a magnetizing field. Okay, magnetizing field is denoted by H. H equals to value is given. What is the value? 4 into 10 to the power of plus 4 ampere per meter. We are adding here. Then next, calculate. We are calculating. First one is intensity of magnetization. Intensity of magnetization M equals to question mark. Second one, relative permeability. Relative permeability mu R equals to question mark. In this given problem, two values are given. One is susceptibility. We are writing here. Another one is magnetizing field. We are writing here. We are calculating the two values. One is intensity of magnetization, M equals to question mark. Next, relative permeability, mu R equals to question mark. Susceptibility equals to formula M by H. The ratio of intensity of magnetization to the magnetic intensity. Okay. Then, in this given question, we are calculating M value. Then send H is this side. Then we can write M is equals to psi into H. Psi value. What is the psi value? 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4. H value, what is the H value? 6 into 10 to the power of plus 4. This minus 4 plus 4 is get cancel. Okay, 4 into 6 24. Okay, magnetization is measured in ampere per meter. Next one, relative permeability. The formula of relative permeability is mu r equals to 1 plus psi. Okay, 1 as it is, psi is equals to, its value is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4. We are writing here. One value is in power, another value is not in power. एक वैल्यू पावर में है और एक वैल्यू पावर में नहीं है. हम दोनों को एट ए टाइम ऐड नहीं कर सकते. ओके, आइदर दोनों वैल्यूज सेम पावर रहना और दोनों वैल्यूज पावर में नहीं रहना. देन दैट्स व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग दिस वैल्यू. ओके, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4 है. हम ये पावर को रिमूव करेंगे. पावर को रिमूव करना मीन्स पॉइंट्स को हम बैक साइड ले रहे हैं. 1 2 3 4 डिजिट बैक साइड मीन्स प्लस 4 minus 4 has gone. Then we are adding 1 plus 0.00004 means 1.0004. It is the mu r. Okay, we discuss in this topic. Okay, number of problems. These problems are most important. In next class also we are discussing a NCRT problems. Okay, thank you.